To my shame, I never did follow through on the spout repair for this Bona Vita Kettle, and thought I'd rectify that situation right now. I did post in the comments that I had used JB Weld to temporarily patch this, but it didn't hold in the long term, and now I'm trying to get this off, and I was scraping, but now it looks like, because it's an epoxy, we should just be able to burn the shit off, and that seems to work a little bit. We'll get out the torch and finish the job here. Well, there you go. That's one way to do it. Looks like I'm in for a little bit of trouble. Son of a bitch. Alright. Fuck. Maybe this won't be so bad. Didn't take much to take that damn thing off. Why is that? How is that even affixed? It does appear to be welded on. You can see there's a metal lip there, but it didn't go all the way around. Unless part of it is on the inside of the kettle, that's possible. Anyway, let's take off this rest of this JB Weld here. A smarter man than myself would look up what we would use to reattach this to this, and I don't know what kind of metal these are. Stainless steel, I would assume. But, you know, there's very little tools I have at my disposal, and I don't think I'm going to go buy anything, so we're just going to try and weld that with some solder. This is lead-free, which is good. Silver bearing lead-free solder. It's what I have on hand, so that's what I'm going to use. Just hope it seals in there. Now, the question is, do I pull out the plumbing flux and throw that on there too? I guess it can't hurt. Alright, we'll just give her a little dab. Now, had I not F this up with the JB Weld, probably look a little bit nicer, but I'm not so concerned about looks at this point. And oh, okay, looks like it's gonna, yeah, it's just gonna fuck off on me here. So that's, flux ain't working worth shit either. Okay, gonna have to hold it in place. Alright, here we go. What is it? Necessity is the mother of all stupid ideas? Well, here's another one. This is one of those magnetic stands. Pretty damn handy, the stand. And where's me? Where's me, Spout? Son of a bitch, I've misplaced it already! How's that even possible? Whoa, look at that. High precision tool, my friends. High precision tool. Alright, I don't think that's going anywhere. We're gonna see if we can do it without flux. And have another shot at it. I'm thinking we can't do it without flux. It's just not taken. Alright, the stupid internet says I need an acid-based flux specifically designed for nickel or stainless steel. And I'm thinking my water-soluble paste here for, you know, copper pipes isn't going to do the trick. So I'm maybe go and get some. So we've got acid flux, stainless steel soldering flux with just an acid flux. And the silver bearing solder. That's what we'll be using here. No guarantees this is going to work. The other thing is I'm going to use a torch with a little more control for heat rather than the pop on, pop off. Alright, here we go. Flux it up. I'll be damned. Oh, I'm gonna do a shit job on this, I just know it. However, come on, baby. Okay, easy. Okay, I think we're gonna go, I'll call it quits there. Oh, fuck yeah. A little concerned that we didn't get any there. It's a mess, but will it work? That is the question. Focus. Thank you. So I think I got it all the way around. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up real good, and then we'll give it the water test. Alright, she ain't pretty, but pretty ain't gonna make you friends. So let's fill it up and see if we've got any leakage. Whoa, a little bit of leakage there. Well, I think she's fixed. So that would be the solution to the problem. A little bit of heat, a little bit of acid, and a little bit of silver. So there you have it. Sorry I didn't do this earlier. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Oh, I guess we can update this. There we go. Fixed.